Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to sign up on Substack. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search for Substack. Now select the first website. Now select sign in option which is on your top right corner. Now select create an account. Now select create account option which is on your top right corner. Now you need to select your interest right here and then select on continue. Now if you want to subscribe to these channels, then you need to select on subscribe to 7 and continue. Now you need to enter here your email address. Now select on subscribe and join Substack. Now you need to enter here your name. Now enter here your handle, which is also known as username. Now you can write here about yourself, which you can call bio, and then select on continue. You need to select on continue. Now select start reading. And that's how you guys can successfully sign up on Substack. So that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.